What is project-based learning in coding?
Project-based learning means developing your programming skills by building real, functional software projects. Instead of only reading or watching tutorials, you apply what you learn to solve practical problems. This approach helps bridge the gap between theory and application, making your knowledge more adaptable and relevant to real-world coding challenges.
Why projects make skills stick?
Working on real projects deeply reinforces your coding knowledge. As you write code to solve actual problems, you retain information better because you're using it in context. By experimenting, making mistakes, and finding solutions, you create lasting memories in your coding journey that simply reading about code can't provide.
Building problem-solving abilities.
Projects challenge you to think critically. Each project comes with unique obstacles, bugs, design questions, and changing requirements. Tackling these issues helps you develop strong problem-solving and debugging skills, essential abilities for every programmer, whether you're a beginner or experienced developer.
Real projects mean real motivation.
Having a tangible goal, like finishing an app or website, provides motivation and a sense of progress. With every feature you complete or problem you solve, you see direct results. This keeps coding engaging and encourages you to keep learning, making the process more rewarding compared to abstract exercises.
Building a portfolio and career benefits.
Completing projects gives you more than knowledge, it builds a portfolio. Showcasing your real-world work to employers or collaborators proves your abilities far better than certificates alone. Whether personal or collaborative, these completed projects can open doors to internships, jobs, or freelance opportunities in tech.